Hey.
Will you get me a surprise gift?
Hey.
This is nice, us
Hey.
being together. I'm as happy as
Hey.
can be. I do
Hey.
love you, you old
Hey.
silly.
Hey.
I'm as happy as can
Hey.
be. I do love
Hey.
you old silly.
Hey. Hey.
I'm as happy as can be.
Hey.
I do love you,
Hey.
you old silly.
Hey.
This
Hey.
is nice, us
Hey.
being together. I do
Hey.
love you, you old
Hey.
silly.
Hey.
I'm as happy as can
Hey.
be. I do
Hey.
love you, you old
Hey.
silly.
Hey.
I'm as happy as can
Hey.
be. I do love
Hey.
you, you old
Hey.
silly.
Hey.
This is nice,
Hey.
us being together. I'm
Hey.
as happy as can be.
Hey.
Shall we retire to the boudoir? Let's go to bed, shall we? Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. All that guild training.
Hello, sir. I've been speaking with the girls and, well, we've had enough of this life. And now that old Grope is gone, I know it's a lot to ask, but perhaps you... I see.
Hiya, Avatar.
Yoo-hoo!
Oh, I say.
What a face.
Jolly boy. Forget what everyone said.
Yoo-hoo!
Why you arsing around like that? All right.
Are you here to take advantage of me? Like, I guess some things never change. This way, sir. Over there. Just a little further. Whatever you desire. I always give the customers what they want, even if they didn't know what they wanted when they walked in.
Wow.
Yay!
Safe with him around.
Hooray!
Oh, yeah.
I would not allow that filthy grope to touch me. But I don't suppose I can... I might have fallen for a hero like you anyway, if things had been different. Follow me. Oh, I am yours, hero. Forever yours. That's good. Ooh, so this is what a hero feels like. I said I was the best, and now I've proven it. I've never had a disappointed customer.
Hooray!
Hedwig always makes more gold. Men go away happy with Hedwig. You want me to show you? Follow Hed. On knees now. Me want to see you beg. That's no good for you here. Hedwig boss here. Downstairs, you might be big boss, but here you be Hedwig slave. Yeah, now you understand. Hedwig the best, yeah?
Master.
Wonderful.
Oh, hello, sir. I suppose you're just like old... Follow me? What are you... Oh! Oh, sir! Again! Yes, I know I'm good at this, but I just wish I could have made more out of life.
Oh, yeah. Neat.
Woohoo!
The mighty Avatar there.
Hello, Governor. You want one for free then? Being me boss and all. This one. Oh, sir. This is interesting. Oh, go gentle, lad. Not as flexible as I used to be. Back to the grime for me. No rest for Polly.
My heart skips a beat. Yeah! Hooray!
Have a good
A
day.
real hero.
I don't know. Yeah!
Sorry.
Woo! Your looks are